Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play GoldenEye 007. To begin, familiarize yourself with the game's core mechanics. Each mission presents specific objectives you must complete to progress. Learning the controls for movement, aiming, and interacting with the environment is crucial. Remember to use cover effectively and employ stealth tactics to avoid alerting enemies, which can make your missions much easier to accomplish. Pay close attention to your surroundings and plan your approach carefully. Next, let's explore the arsenal at your disposal. You will encounter various weapons, from pistols and submachine guns to assault rifles and explosives. Choose your weapon wisely based on the situation, whether it is close-quarters combat or long-range engagements. James Bond also has an array of useful gadgets, like the watch laser or remote mines, which are essential for solving puzzles and bypassing security. Always conserve your ammunition and collect new weapons from defeated enemies. Developing effective mission strategies is key to success. Every level has primary objectives that must be completed and often secondary objectives that unlock bonus content or improve your mission score. Take your time to explore each area. You might discover hidden passages, useful items, or intelligence that aids your mission. Be prepared to adapt your strategy, as different enemy types and environmental layouts will require varied approaches to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Finally, dive into the iconic multiplayer mode, where up to 4 players can battle it out locally. Experiment with various characters, each with unique attributes, and try different weapon sets to find your preferred playstyle. Mastering the controls and practicing your aiming and movement will significantly improve your performance in both single-player missions and competitive multiplayer matches. The more you play, the better you will become at navigating the levels and outsmarting your opponents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.